Hi and welcome to session 2. The first few times you practice, you may find that your mind is extremely restless, chattering and running around like the proverbial drunken monkey on a hot tin roof. Listen, that's to be expected, and if your mind is restless, then the fact that you're aware of this restlessness is actually a great first step. What you're learning now is a new and powerful way of calming the mind, of attaining mastery of your mind. So let's get started. As you did yesterday, sit down comfortably and take those slow, nice, deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Take this opportunity now to breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely with air. And then allow all the air to be exhaled out through your mouth. Not pushing the air, sort of giving it permission to leave your body. And then breathing in again, taking a few more breaths like this. Notice the sensations in your body, your chest, your abdomen, your shoulders, and see if you can let go of some of that tension. Allow your breathing now to return to its natural rhythm. Breathing in and out through your nose again. Gently close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. You may notice your abdomen, your chest moving with each breath. What is the sensation of those movements like? Experience that. Do you notice that as your body breathes in, your abdomen goes outwards? And as your body breathes out, your abdomen relaxes, goes inward. Can you place your attention on that movement and just experience those sensations? If you find yourself trying to control your breath or trying to take over your breathing, that's quite natural. Just realize when that happens and try to let that go, allowing your body to breathe. Moving your attention to the contact between your body and the chair. And slowly open your eyes. Just take a few moments to experience how you're feeling right now. How does your body feel? How does your mind feel? And how does your breath feel? I hope you experienced a little bit of relaxation. But again, even if you didn't, each day, each session is taking you closer towards mastery of your mind. So do keep up with these sessions and and you'll soon experience the many benefits of meditation. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back for session 3.